Dear students, today we are studying about the ninth lesson, interest. And what is interest? That's we know that uh, if we have any difficulties in that is to raise some money, that is we go and borrowed some money from money lenders or from bank, and after returning, that is in the time of returning, we pay a little money more than that is we borrowed. That is, if we borrowed 1,000 plus, that is some money more, some more money with this basic, that is this the principal, and that is if it is 10 rupees, that is we gave it as 1,000 and 10 rupees. That is this is called the interest. That the extra money we paid is called the interest. That is interest are in two. That is finding simple interest and then compound interest. First of all, we are studying about simple interest. What is simple interest? How can we calculate simple interest? Simple interest is calculated by calculating by using a formula, that is equal to PRT by 100. By using a formula PRT by 100, that is P is the principal, that this is the principal amount that we borrowed is called P. P is the principal. P is the principal, and R is the, that is the rate of interest. That is we are borrowing this money, that is 1,000 rupees for 2 years. For 2 years, that is the interest is equal to, if it is equal to 2%. If the interest is equal to 2% for buying, that is borrowing this 1,000 rupees for 2% interest, and the year is equal to, that is the total number of years is equal to 2. After 2 years, we have to return this money with this interest. That is R is the rate of interest, and rate of interest, that is rate of R is the rate of interest, and then T is equal to time period. Time period is equal to 2 years. That is the time period is equal to 2 years. This is a formula for calculating. This is P into R into T by 100. Okay, here it is. I is equal to, interest is equal to, I is equal to PRT by 100, P into R into T by 100. That is, from this we can calculate the P. From this equation, this formula, this we can calculate P. P is equal to, cross multiplying this, that is P is equal to I into 100 into I divided by R into T. 100 into I divided by R into T, that is equal to, and R is equal to, that is here it is R is equal to, here again 100 into I. 100 into I is equal divided by P into T. That is cross multiplying this 100, this goes to the left side, and then this R by R and T coming to the denominator. That is equal to P. This is P is equal to 100 into I by R into T. R is equal to 100 into I by P into T, and T is equal to 100 into I by P into R. These are the formulas for calculating simple interest and principal, rate, and time. Okay, there is a question for you. Find the interest and the amount on P is equal to 2,600 and time T is equal to 2 years, 3 months, and R is equal to 1% per month. Okay, and what is it? P, the principal, is equal to 2,600. And we have to find the interest. I is equal to, we know that interest I is equal to P into R into T by 100. Okay, P into R into T by 100, that is equal to, we can write this here, P is equal to 2,600, and R is equal to, the rate of interest is equal to 1 into 1 into, and the time period is 2 years and 3 months. We have to convert this into month and right here only in months. That is 2 years is equal to 24 months plus 3 is equal to 27 months. 27 months, that is equal to, we can write this here 27. That is 2,600 into 1 into 27 divided by 100. Substituting this in this equation, that is I is equal to PRT by 100. And here cancelling the zeros is equal to 26 into 1 into 20. That is 26 into 27 is equal to, we get 702. 26 into 27 is equal to rupees 702. And we have, in this question, we have to find the interest and the amount. Amount is equal to the formula, listen carefully, amount is equal to principal plus the interest. The amount borrowed plus the interest, that is P plus I. Amount is equal to P plus I. P is equal to, here we know that P is equal to 2600 plus I is equal to this 2600 plus 702, that is we get 3 that is 02, that is 3302 rupees. Okay, this is amount is equal to 3302 rupees. Okay, next question. Ashok lent out rupees 7,000 at 6% and 9,505%. Find his total income from the interest in 3 years. That is, he lent out, he given 7,000 to a person, that is at 6%, and 9,500 to another person at 5%. Find his total income from the interest in 3 years. Here there are two cases, and in the first case, what is it? What is P here? P is equal to 7,000, and P is equal to 7,000, and rate of interest R is equal to 6%, and the time period is again it is equal to 3 years. Time period is equal to 3 years. T is equal to 3 years. And how can we calculate I? I is equal to P into R into T by 100. And here it is equal to, that is P is 7,000 into R is equal to 6% into time period is 3 divided by 7,000 into 6 into 3 divided by 100. That is cancelling this. That is these two. That is 70 into 6 into is equal to we get 70 into 6, 70 into 18 is equal to, that is equal to 1,260 rupees. 7,260 rupees. And in second case, what is it? P is equal to, here P is equal to 9,500, and R is equal to, in this second case, R is 5%, and T is same in 3 years. Both are in 3 years. That is time is equal to 3, and I is equal to PRT by 100, P into R into T by 100 is equal to, P is equal to 9,500 into R is equal to 5 into T is equal to 3 divided by 100. Cancelling this 2, that is equal to 95 into 15, that we get the answer, that is 1,425 rupees. 1,425 rupees. And find the total income. That is his total income from the interest is equal to, adding these two interest, that is equal to 1,260 plus 1,425. Adding this we get 2,625 rupees. This is interest in 3 years. Okay, divide rupees 15,600 into 2 parts such that the interest on one at 5% for 5 years may be equal to that on the other at 4.5% for 6 years. And here there are 2 parts, that is this 15,000, the total amount is 15,600, and this divided into 2, and this is for that is first one is for 5%, rate of interest is equal to 5%, and for 5 years, and the second part is 4.5, that is 9/2% for 6 years. And that is, let first part is equal to x, and the second part is equal to that is subtracting this x from this 15,600 minus x, 15,600 minus x, and we get, that is by the given condition, that is equal to, first part is equal to, in the question, that is may be equal to, that is equal by the condition First part is equal to second part. That is, what is the formula for calculating interest? PRT by 100. That is equal to x into 5 into 5 divided by 100 is equal to 15,000. That is the principal. 15,600 minus x into, that is this interest 4 and 1 by 2, that is 9 by 2. 9 by 2 into 6 years. 6 years divided by 100. This 100 cancels, and then here it is 3 cancels. We get 3, that is 6 cancels, that is 3, that is equal to 25x. 25x is equal to 27 into 15,600 minus 27x. Minus 27x. 27 into 15,600 minus 27x. And taking this minus 27x to the left side, that is 25x plus 27x is equal to that is equal to 27 into 15,600. And then here it is equal to 752. 52x is equal to 27 into 15,600. And then dividing this here, dividing this, that is equal to x is equal to 27 into 15,600 dividing by 52. That is, here it is 3 times. That is, what is it? X is equal to 27 into 3 is equal to 27 into 3 is equal to 8100. 8,100. And what is it? That is equal to, that is the amount is equal to, that is 15,600. What is x? X is equal to 8,100. 8,100. And what is the second part? Second part is equal to 15,600 minus 8,100. What is it? 15,600 minus 8,100 is equal to 7,500. 7,500 is the answer. Rupees 7,500. Next subtopic is compound interest. By simple interest method, how can we calculate compound interest? That is, previously we studied about how to find the simple interest. That is, the formula for calculating simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. Here also we are applying that PRT by 100, but here we are calculating compound interest. What is compound interest? That is, by this question we can study what is compound interest. How can we calculate compound interest? That is, this is a question. Calculate the amount and the CI. CI means compound interest on rupees 12,000 in 2 years and at 10% per year. Calculate the amount and the compound interest. How can we calculate compound interest? First of all, that is for the first year. That is, this is for this 2 years. Here for compound interest we are calculating interest, that is simple interest by using simple interest method. Here we are calculating simple interest for each year. For each year we are calculating the interest, and then that interest adding to the principal, and that is the interest plus, that is this amount, a principal plus that interest is the principal for the second year. That is the principal for the second year. First of all, calculate the interest, and after that adding the interest to this principal, and this principal plus interest is the principal for the second year. That is for first year. For first year, what is it? Here it is, P is equal to 12,000, R is equal to 10%, and T is equal to 2 years. Here this is T is equal to 2 years, but we are calculating for each year. For 1 year each, that is equal to, and then SI is equal to, by using simple interest method, that is SI is equal to PRT by 100. PRT by 100, that is equal to P is equal to 12,000 into R is equal to, rate of interest is equal to 10, and I is, that is t is equal to 1 for each year. That is taking t is equal to 1 and then divided by 100. Cancelling this we get 1200. That's the interest, 1200 rupees. And then after first year, what is the amount? Amount is equal to, after first year the amount is equal to the principal plus 1200 and 1200. That is P plus I. That is, this is equal to P plus I. That is, we get, that is equal to the 12,000 plus 1200 is equal to 13,200 rupees. 13,200 rupees. And this is the 13,200 rupees is the principal for the next 1 year. This is for the, that is 13,200. That is adding this interest to the principal and we get 13,200. This 13,200 is the principal for the next year. Okay. And for the second year, what is it? P is equal to this one. P is equal to 13,200 and R is equal to, again R is equal to 10 and T is equal to 1. T is equal to 1. Here it is T is equal to, here also we are taking T is equal to 1. T is equal to 1 and then what is it? SI is equal to PRT by 100, that is 13,200 into R is equal to 10 into 1 by 100. Cancelling this, that is we get 1320. 1320. And this, in this question we have to find the amount, calculate the amount and the compound interest. And what is the amount? Amount is equal to, A is equal to P plus I. P plus I. Here the P is equal to 13,200. 13,200 plus I is equal to 1,320. 1,320. 13,200 plus 1,320. That is here. 14,520. 14,520 is the total amount. Rupees 14,520 is the total amount. And what is the compound interest here? Compound interest is equal to the interest at first year plus interest on second year. That is equal to compound. That is CI is equal to first interest. That is 1,200 plus 1,320. What is it? 1,200 plus 1,320. That is equal to 0, 0, 2, 5 and 2. 2,520 rupees. Okay. This is the way to calculate the compound interest using simple interest. Now that is, by each year we are calculating the interest and then that interest is added to the principal and that one is the, this is the principal for the second year. And if it is 3 years, that is you calculate this is the that is, what is it, 14,520. This is the amount after 2 years. That is, this is the principal for the third year. This is the method of finding compound interest. Here next is compound interest using formula. Finding compound interest using formula. And here there are 3 formulas are here. If that is, if A is the amount, and P is the principal and rupees P in n years, that is number of years is equal to n, and at R percentage per annum, that is rate of interest is equal to R percentage. How can we calculate compound interest using formula? That is, A is equal to, this is the formula, P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n. P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n. And if it is compounded yearly, that is yearly, that is n is equal to 1, compounded yearly. And then this the second one, if compounded half yearly, if it is compounded half yearly, that is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100, that is dividing by 2, R 2 into 100, that is calculating compounded half yearly, and the whole raised to n into 2, doubling this n, and then here it is R is dividing by 2. And in third one it is, if it is in successive years, that is in successive 3 years, that if the rate of interest is different, that is R1, R2, R3 for the successive years. And what is the formula? A is equal to 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 and into 1 plus R3 by 100 plus that is into etc. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 12,000 at 10% per annum, compounded half yearly. Here is a question for half yearly. How can we calculate the amount? Using the formula that is in half yearly. That is what is it here? P is equal to 12,000 and R is equal to 10% and T is equal to 1. T is equal to 1 or N is equal to 1. T or N is equal to 1. That is equal to A, calculating the amount. That is A is equal to, formula is P into 1 plus this for half yearly dividing by 2 into 100. Whole raised to N into 2. N into 2. And P is equal to 12,000 into 1 plus R is 10. 10 by 200 into, that is 1 into 2. 1 into 2, that is 12,000 into, that is calculating, taking the LCM. Here it is 200 is the LCM, that is dividing by 1, we get 200, 200 plus 10, 210 into the raised to 2. That is, this cancelling this 2, that is 12,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Cancelling these two zeros, we get what is the answer? That is 120 into 21 into 21. That is 13,230 rupees. 13,230 rupees. And what is it? That is, find the compound interest. What is it? Compound interest. Compound interest is equal to A minus P. We know that compound A is equal to A minus P. That is a formula. A minus, that is the amount, is equal to, that is what we get. What is the amount here? Amount is this. Amount is equal to this one. That is 13,230. 13,230 minus P is equal to 12,000. 12,000. That is, we get the answer. What is equal to 1,230 rupees. 1,230 rupees. That is the compound interest. Find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 4,000 in 2 years. If the rate of interest for first year is 10% and for the second year is 15%. Here is the question for the successive 2 years. The rate is for the successive 2 years. And here what is the P is equal to 4,000 and R is equal to 10% and T is equal to 2 years. And here what is it? That is, the amount is equal to, we know that P into 1 plus R1 by 100, R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. That is for 2 years. That is equal to, P is equal to 4,000 into 1 plus R1 by 100. R1 is equal to R1. Here the first rate of interest is 10 and second one is 15. That is 1 plus 10 by 100 and then 1 plus 15 by 100. Second one is 15 by 100. That is equal to 4,000. 4,000 into, that is by using the, that is 110 by 100. 110 by 100 by taking the LCM, and here it is equal to 115 by 100. 115 by 100. That is, we get, that is 4,000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 115 by 100 is equal to 23 by 20. 23 by 20 dividing by 5, that is 23 by 20. And then cancelling this zeros, 4 zeros we get, and after that it is equal to, we get, that is 40 into 11 into 23 is equal to 5,060. This is the amount. Amount is equal to 5,060 and CI is equal to the total amount, that is 5,060 minus the principal, that is 4,000, and we get the answer, that is 1,060. This is the compound interest. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you.